2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, steering wheel cruise control, trailer brake controller, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, power equipment group, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.